Hi, I'm Chris from Cartridge People, and this is how to change the ink cartridges in your Epson WF-2830. Firstly, power on your printer. Once the printer is turned on, scroll to the maintenance menu using the arrow buttons, then press OK. Scroll to ink cartridge replacement using the arrows, then press OK again. Then press the diamond shaped button to begin. Open the printer using the tab on the side. Wait for the carriage to move into position. Now remove the cartridge from the packaging and slide it into the carriage. Push down until it clicks, then repeat for the rest of the cartridges. Now close the lid and wait for the printer to process the cartridges. If you are using our own brand compatible cartridges, a message will appear letting you know that non-genuine ink cartridges have been detected. This will not void your printer warranty, so just press OK to continue. Now just press the home button and you're done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out the other videos on screen.